This is a stock headlight for the Surron. It's got 2 LEDs, it's got little bulbs right here, and it's not that bright, bro. It's not that great. This is the Blazer Quad LED, baby. I honestly don't know if it's any brighter at all. I haven't plugged it in yet, but I wanted to do an install video for you guys because I love you all so much, and I want to post every single day for December. It has nothing to do with ad rates. All right, for this install, we're gonna need shrink wrap, wire cutters, wire strippers, 4mm Allen key, some sort of a bracket, OEM bracket, or the bracket that comes with the light that you bought, and some mounting hardware like these. All right, first things first, if you're working on your Surron or anything ever, make sure to disconnect the battery. You don't want to short something out, and you also don't want to electrocute yourself and turn into She-Hulk. Next, take your 4mm Allen key, undo your little key slot here. Make sure to place your bolts somewhere where you're not going to lose them, and you'll remember where they go. What I like to do, oh, can I not get, okay. I didn't know we were going to run into this problem, but you've got to take this door off here. So to do that, you get a little bitty flathead. There's these little rings in here. You're gonna go in with the flathead very slowly, pop them out because they will fly across the room. All right, once those are off, you're gonna go ahead and push these little pins. Door's gonna come off. Once that door is off, you'll have these off, or this piece will move out of the way, and we can find where our headlight goes. Yeah, so you'll disconnect the headlight wire. Boom, once it's disconnected, we're gonna move to the workbench. All right, guys, really messed up on this one, but basically what we did was we took the stock OEM headlight right here. We cut it with the wire cutters. Just chop. Once those are cut off, or once that's cut off, you'll notice, here it is. It's got a red and a black wire. The new light has a red and a black wire. So those are gonna be going together, and that will be how we connect to the actual Surron. All right, so I have 2 pieces of shrink tube here. You can see I've got one right here, one right here. What you're gonna wanna do is slide this on your wire before you even start splicing them together. A shrink tube is gonna go right over where you just spliced, and then you're gonna take a lighter. You don't hold it there. Watch what I'm doing. Like, don't hold it, you'll melt the wire. You just wanna get it hot enough to where it shrinks on. Everything's tight, maybe a little bit more. Don't overdo it, you'll melt the wire and then you'll ruin the whole connector. So there you go. That's hot. There you go. You're gonna do that with the black wire now, which is very simple, and then we're gonna go ahead and hook it up. Then we're gonna hook the battery up, see if she works. Plug in, let's go ahead and slide the battery in. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got ourselves a light. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, this light does not seem very bright at all, but I'm gonna turn the garage lights off and turn it on and just hope that this was worth the upgrade. If not, I don't know what to do, but let's go ahead and turn the light off. Boom. Oh, it's getting dark. I'm gonna turn this light off too. Oh, that's pretty solid. Hello. Yeah, no, this isn't bad at all, man. This is oh, this is plenty bright. Yeah, this is gonna work, dude. My only concern is that it's going to definitely drain batteries, so I'm gonna buy a switch tonight where I can turn the light on and off so it's not draining battery constantly. If you guys want to see a breakdown on that too, I'll give it to you. It's basically just a linkage between headlight wire and then another little thing up top where you can just press a button and turn it on and off. But I just wanted to try to give you guys something. Like, you wanted to upgrade your headlight. Now you guys know how to slice a wire. Now you guys know how to take the little cover off. And you've done your first little project with wiring on the Surron. I promise you guys, this is like one of the easiest bikes to work on as far as stuff like that. It's very accessible, and nothing's real hidden up anywhere. So you just upgraded your headlight. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Good job. Let me know if this works for you guys, or if this helped you at all or inspired you to do this. And let me know what lights to run, because I know a lot of dudes in the game right now. Like, I know a lot of people that ride the Surrons, and I'm trying to get the best, most brightest light ever. And I was thinking about doing a video where I test out the best, like from the cheapest to the most expensive lights that I can possibly find. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next vlog. Yeah, bye.